It's not the only thing to gather all the information into one tool. You also have to keep it organized. You need more than a tool. You need a system. You need a methodology. Even though Notion is a super powerful tool, it can also be really overwhelming, and there are so many possibilities that people with their own way of working, because we all have different ways of working, will just put data in it and it will start to be one big mess. What we wanted to do is to create a methodology that allows you to store all your data, create a knowledge base, and then be able to personalize it so that everyone can use Notion in their own way and still keep it organized. It works in 4 phases. So the first step is to build your data model. You have to understand which kind of data you use on a daily basis and how they are related to each other. It's your data model. Once you have understood your data model, you need to create these databases, and you can create them into Notion. So you will create these databases in Notion and relate them to each other. That's the second step, building your databases. The third step is building your dashboards. You are going to take all these databases, put them in context on dashboard pages that are going to gather all the information that you need to tackle one specific subject or one specific use case. And then there is the fourth step, personalization, where you are going to take a dashboard, customize it to the needs of one specific user. With all these steps, you can finally have one place where you gather all your data, but everyone can work its own way. That's the methodology we use in all of our work. So if you work with us on a consulting mission from scratch, this is the methodology we are going to use to build your workspace. And if you buy one of our templates, this is also the methodology that we use to build all of them, so you will be served.